Hi, it's Adam from WebStarts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your store the home page of your website. Normally, when you set up a WebStarts website and you add a store to it, it creates a page called Store. You click on that page and it takes you to your store catalog view. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can make this your default view so that when somebody comes to your website, they see your store catalog as opposed to the home page. Once you log into your WebStarts account, go ahead and select the website that you would like to edit, and then you'll be in the dashboard view. From the dashboard view, click on Edit Site. This loads the page editor, and in the page editor, click on the Pages icon, click the settings cog to the right of the store page, and then check the box that says Set as Home Page, and then click Update. Lastly, save the page, and then go ahead and view your site by going to your site's home page. And there you can see that my store has now been applied as my home page. Note that I still have a page named Home on my menu, so I would want to change that so that the page currently named Store becomes Home. You would do that by going right back to Pages, clicking on Store, and then changing the name to Home here, and then either removing the original home page or renaming it to something else in the name field. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website, online store, or blog. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to subscribe and enable notifications to be the first to find out when we release a new video or feature.